Welcome to Applaud Tutorials. Today we explore the Rerun Existing feature for workflows. You might have a great workflow idea, but you've already populated your model with data. In this scenario, you can use the Rerun Existing feature to run your new workflow on your existing records. To do this, head to the Models section from Admin Home. Select your chosen model. And head to Workflows. Select or create your desired workflow. Your workflow trigger needs to include the update action. This feature isn't available when the workflow is deactivated, configured to trigger on a form submission, or configured to trigger on a date property. You also can't rerun the workflow if it contains conditions that reference user or requester properties. In this example, we've added a workflow to auto-assign any health-related benefits to the CEO. When a benefit is created or updated to include the health category, this triggers the workflow. The workflow assigns the benefit to the CEO with the highest level of cover. The CEO also receives a notification email. When ready, select Rerun Existing to run this workflow on existing records. You can double check the workflow process was successful by heading to the Workflow History tab. We can also see that the CEO received their notification emails. Congratulations! You have successfully completed this tutorial. Learn more at Applaud Academy or check out our knowledge base at support.applaudsolutions.com.